Multidisciplinary coordination is often fragmented across disconnected models, inconsistent data, and siloed workflows. Revit 2027 reshapes how you coordinate across disciplines as project complexity continues to increase. This release prioritizes integration with Forma workflows, model coordination, and open interoperability. Let's start with how Revit 2027 connects to the Forma ecosystem. Revit 2027 subscriptions now include bundled access to Forma data management essentials, site design, building design, and Forma board. This establishes a cloud foundation for connected workflows from early site studies through coordinated review. Access Forma board with your subscription, a visual collaborative workspace for design review. Add Revit published sheets from Forma data management into the canvas with a live connection to the model. Organize sheets into structured frames by discipline or milestone. Add comments and markups without altering production sheets. Included with Forma Design Collaboration, Model Analytics Essentials provides continuous monitoring for Revit cloud models. Track sync performance, file growth, and version alignment. Compare historical versions and detect size increase risks early before they affect coordination or stability. Revit 2027 is the first Forma connected client in technology preview, establishing a direct connection to Forma's tools and capabilities within the design environment. Work begins by accessing a scenario in Revit, a shared, geolocated data container that enables connected workflows across applications. Data from site design and Revit can be cross-referenced in a single step without imports or exports, preserving project context. Contextual datasets from the Forma data marketplace can be accessed to enrich models with relevant site information. Forma environmental analysis, including wind estimates and wind simulations, are accessible directly within Revit. The objective is clear: continue authoring in Revit while extending analysis, context, and insight through connected Forma services. Incremental AEC data model sync is available as a technology preview. Enable it per project through the Connected Client toggle in Forma data management settings. Only modified elements sync to the cloud instead of regenerating the full dataset. Let's now move from connectivity to model coordination enhancements. Issues for Revit is no longer an optional extension. It is integrated directly into the core product. Display pinned issues from Forma data management directly in your model. Create issues in a Revit 3D view, assign responsibility and due dates, and associate related models. Track and prioritize resolution without leaving the model. Coordination becomes continuous rather than reactive. Compare properties across coordination model versions to identify added, modified, or deleted elements. Search parameter value differences to understand their impact. Assess consultant updates with precision before they cascade into downstream rework. Finally, coordination depends on reliable interoperability across partners and platforms. The updated IFC parameter mapping provides greater granular control over property sets and schema entities directly in Revit. Export cleaner, more precise, and customized IFC data without cumbersome workarounds. Recap Pro and Revit are more tightly integrated. Create reusable classification templates, map mesh layers to IFC schemas, and embed custom metadata. Batch promote mesh objects to Revit families and merge surfaces during creation. Move from reality capture to coordinated BIM content with greater speed and control. Create data exchanges from 2D views and schedules, multi-select exchanges, and control visibility across views. Apply custom mapping from Tekla Structures and Rhino to designated Revit categories. Increase reliability when exchanging structured data. Enhancements in informed design bring design and manufacturing closer together. Discover, configure, and insert manufacturer-defined products directly in Revit. generate bill of materials, drawings, and CAD files, and publish products across Forma data management accounts while keeping project data regional. Extend workflows using the Inform Design API for automation and integration. Revit 2027 embeds Forma workflows directly into the authoring environment, increases data transparency, and strengthens control over model exchange. For a detailed breakdown of everything included in this release, explore the Help Release notes or watch the complete feature series on our YouTube channel.